Hello, I am Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the Web3 analytic kit tool, Wallet Analytic. In Wallet Analytic, we will look into cross-contract analysis graph, how we can use the cross-contract analysis to understand more about our customers coming to our website and purchasing NFT tokens or doing any type of transaction on Ethereum blockchain. Before getting into the details, I'll show you the SaaS platform and then I'll come back to the presentation. This website I've shown you in multiple different videos. When you log into AnalyticKit SaaS platform, after successful login, this is the page you will land. From this dashboard on the left-hand side, if you click Wallet Analytic, that will take you to the Wallet Analytic dashboard. In this dashboard, you will see various graphs. In my previous videos, I have explained about these individual graphs, how to use it, and how to interpret customer data on different types of transaction that happened for the various wallets addresses that we collect from websites. In this video, we will look into cross-contract analysis. This is the cross-contract analysis graph. Basically, it shows all the wallet addresses that we collected, and for each wallet address, what are all the different contracts that interacted with. See, in this presentation, it shows there are two contract addresses, one that starts with 0x03, another one that starts with 0x17. And then the interaction between those two contract is one. That means there was a one-time wallet address, whatever wallet address we captured that interacted between these two contracts. So basically, each dot that we show the wallet uh, Ethereum contract address, but and then for the value in between two dots, we see how many times the wallet address interacted with that. The one information that we are not showing is the which wallet address interacted. In this, it shows there is a one wallet address interacted between these two contracts, but we are not showing which wallet address it interacted. We are working on that feature to include that information, but for now, it just shows the wallet address that interacted between these two contracts and how many number of times that interacted on the line it shows. That's one. That means it's a one time that is interacted in this wallet, in this Ethereum contract. See, the main purpose of this graph is to analyze and understand what are all the different contracts. It's not only your own contract that you are managing on our AnalyticKit SaaS platform, but also your competitors or your partners' contracts that wallet address has been interacting in Ethereum blockchain. So we collect all the data on a nightly basis and store it in our backend analytical system, and then use that data to show this graph. So using that information, you can pinpoint one thing, what are all the different contract addresses it interacted and how frequently it interacted. And also we did not show in the graph on the dates, on which dates the wallet address interacted. We are also working on that feature, and in the near future, we will incorporate those also into the graph. And also you can able to navigate to the graph, and then you can do the filtering based on various dates that you want to visualize the graph. Say you have a 10 wallet addresses for 10 days. You can able to filter out which days and which wallet addresses you want to see the graph. But right now the graph is static. We are working on that feature. The and also the main important point of this cross-contract analysis is to identify what marketing strategies is working for you and what other marketing strategies are not working, so that you can fine-tune your marketing strategies based on the graph, based on the data that we collect, and based on the graph we display on the user interface. The mapping the user engagement across contracts. See, as we collect the wallet addresses on a regular basis, you can understand whether the customers are interacting with your Ethereum blockchain application on a regular basis, or your competitors Ethereum wallet, Ethereum smart contract application, they are interacting it. So they might be visiting your website based on your promotional campaign, uh, based on your email marketing campaign or social media marketing campaign. They visit your website or your smart or your digital application that you have that is running on a mobile platform, but they may not be interacting with the smart contract application on Ethereum blockchain. They may be visiting your website, but they may be going into your competitor's website and purchasing NFT token. So you can able to identify all those details using the cross contract analysis and see what you can do to fine tune your marketing campaign based on the data that you collect. And also it will also help you to identify what you need to do in your overall marketing campaign. And another thing you can do is the detecting the synergic between the relationship between various Ethereum blockchain application. So they may be purchasing NFT token and immediately they may be selling the NFT token for higher value by interacting with a different Ethereum blockchain application. You can identify those details and fine tune your marketing campaign to attract more customers and ultimately growing your community. This also helps you to identify which smart contract application is most popular among your community members. Say you are managing 5 different Ethereum blockchain application using our AnalyticKit SaaS platform. Among the 5 Ethereum blockchain applications, if you want to identify which Ethereum blockchain application has frequent users interacting with that application, you can use this graph to identify it, and also you can make the users to make them engage in your other marketing campaigns so that they can use the other smart contract application that you are managing. So you can able to do all those things using the graph that I've shown you. So let me show the graph again and explain. See, here in this graph right now we are showing only two contracts. That's two dots. One is a yellow one is a red dot, another one is a blue dot. Like this, there will be multiple different dots based on how many different contract Ethereum blockchain applications or smart contract applications that your customers are engaging on a regular basis. And then the value that provides how many times they are engaging it. So right now we didn't have a date, but eventually we will add the dates also so that you can able to filter it out. Okay, show me all the interaction that happened on January 1st. Show me all the interaction happens on January 5th, whatever date range you want to make the graph visible, you can do so by dynamically adjusting the filtering parameters. And also this will help you to identify the most common user path that happened in your website or your decentralized application that you are using in your marketing campaign. Say you have a mobile application that you are you are promoting among your community members, and you are running a marketing campaign on Discord. You sent multiple marketing campaign using Discord channel among your community members, and you want to identify how well the marketing campaign is being used during the start of the marketing campaign, and then in the middle of the marketing campaign, and at the end of the marketing campaign. You can able to use this graph to identify what you need to do to adjust so that the marketing campaign you have started on the Discord channel is going to get maximum value for the money you are spending on your marketing campaigns. And another thing is you can also identify whether your users are visiting on a regular basis or they are just visiting only on during the weekends or during the weekdays. If you see that there are more activities happening during the evening time or during the weekends, then you can able to identify that. And if you want to change that behavior, you can promote change your marketing campaign and to attract more users during whichever time frame you want them to come and engage with your smart contract application. And also we have a web2 tools that you can able to collect from which geographical area they are coming from. Using that information, you can also fine tune your marketing campaign for a particular geographical region within the entire uh, community that you are managing it. Say you want to promote people from Africa, then you can able to promote the marketing campaign targeting the your community members from Africa, and also see how well your marketing campaign is performing from that region. And also you can able to optimize your marketing campaign based on the result that you are seeing on the graph. So as I said earlier, if you see more and more users are visiting on one particular Ethereum blockchain application, then you can see that what exactly is going on, why more users are coming to that particular Ethereum blockchain application, and you can able to adjust your marketing campaign accordingly. Say, for example, if you are seeing more and more users are coming for a Web3 based game application that you are managed, that you are deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, and you are partnering with the Web3 game company to market, to target and identify how well the tokens or whatever they are selling on the Web3 platform, your customers are buying it. You can able to identify it, and you can able to use the graphic tool to fine tune your marketing campaign and attract more community members buying more of the NFT tokens using the platform that you are managing. And another thing you can use is that you can use from the graphical tool is that, as I said earlier, if you are managing 4 or 5 Ethereum blockchain applications using the SaaS platform, if we say that one particular Ethereum blockchain has more engagement than the other 4, then you can see what exactly going on with that one particular smart contract application, and identify why more users are coming and using that one particular smart blockchain application than the other 4. Once you identify it, you can able to see what you need to do to move your customers to start using your other 4 blockchain applications. So you are performing various marketing activities, and then you are measuring it. And based on the data that we collect from the Web2 tools and the Web3 tools, and using the graph, you are identifying how well the marketing campaign is going on a regular basis. And then you fine tune the marketing campaign to attract more customers, so that they will also start using your other 4 smart contract application that was deployed in the Ethereum blockchain. See, and also this helps you to build your overall community. Say you are running a marketing campaign to attract new users, and you are sending a mass email campaign for various to attract new users coming into your website, and ultimately subscribing to your newsletter or registering in your website, and then ultimately purchasing NFT tokens or anything what you are selling on the Ethereum blockchain. So for that, you send a marketing email newsletter for users, and then on a regular basis you see how many users are coming to your website, which geographical location they are coming, and what exactly they are doing. Did they just visit your website and they are just leaving, or they are clicking the subscribe button to subscribe your newsletter, or they are clicking the register button to register in your website? All those informations you can able to identify, and ultimately build your community to attract more and users, so that they will ultimately buy the NFT tokens or anything that you are selling on Ethereum blockchain. And also, this also helps you to identify among the community members who are all engaging with your website and who are all engaging with the NFT tokens. And then you can support them by giving promotional discounts on a regular basis. This also helps you to identify frequent users, frequent visitors coming to your website, and frequent purchasers buying NFT tokens on Ethereum blockchain. This also helps you to identify the various case studies you can do within your marketing campaign, and then come up with the overall uh, marketing campaign for your future growth of your community. Say, for example, uh, based on the graph, you are identifying that after purchasing the NFT tokens, they are immediately going to a lending contract. So then you can identify that your users are more interested to purchase. Immediately purchasing, they are going to the lending smart contract application to lend the tokens or to do some other activity. So in that case, you can find synergy between those two smart contract application. And if your competitor is using the lending contract, then you can talk to them and have a co-marketing effort of promoting their contract within your platform. Also, based on your marketing overall marketing strategy, you can able to identify those type of relationships using the cross contract analysis graph that I've shown in the dashboard. And also, you can create the reward programs for the user to use your your contract applications that you are managing. To say you are managing two contract applications, once they start using one smart contract application, you can give incentive program for them to use your second smart contract application, so that they will start using second smart contract application that you are managing. Whatever your marketing strategy, however many smart contract applications you are using it, this cross contract analysis tools you give you a 360-degree view of your users using various applications within the Ethereum blockchain. So this helps you to identify and gain comprehensive user insights about various customers, those who are coming to your website and ultimately purchasing the NFT tokens or interacting with the smart contract application. Either they are purchasing or they are sending their tokens from their wallet to their friend's wallet or to some other family member's wallet. You can able to identify all the informations using the smart contract tool that I've shown you, and using that information, you can fine tune your marketing campaign so that to target effectively attract more customers coming into your platform. So, as I said earlier, the main purpose of the cross-contract analysis is to find powerful insights about your users visiting your website or your decentralized application or your mobile application, whichever way you are managing your application using AnalyticKit SaaS platform. You can able to identify how many users are visiting your website and how many users are purchasing NFT tokens, and what are all the different smart contract applications they are interacting with, how frequently they are interacting with on a regular basis, and ultimately adjust your marketing campaign and build your overall community. So that's all I want to explain in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Please help us to improve the subscription by subscribing to AnalyticKit YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or concerns, please visit our website analytickit.com. And if you want to go to our platform from analytickit.com, if you click login, it will take you to AnalyticKit SaaS platform login page. You can log in, or if you just go to browser and type dpa.analytickit.com. That will take you to our platform directly, and you can start using it right away. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Bye.